Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're slicing into a futuristic topic, the showdown between lab-grown meat and natural meat. So what's all the buzz about? Well, let's cut through the noise and find out which might be the steak of the future. Imagine meat that doesn't come from animals feeding on farms, but is grown from cells in a lab. Here's how it works. Scientists begin with cell samples, often obtained by taking a small tissue sample from a live animal through a procedure called a biopsy. Now, these cells are then placed in a bioreactor, essentially a large tank with an environment that mimics natural growing conditions by providing the right balance of nutrients, oxygen, and temperature, similar to what they'd get if they were growing inside an animal. Now, over time, these cells multiply and grow, eventually forming muscle tissue, which is what we typically think of as meat, without involving any slaughter. Now, this method could potentially revolutionize our food system by eliminating the need for raising and killing billions of animals. Now, let's dive into the incredible advantages. Imagine a world where our food choices have a minimal impact on the planet. That's the promise of lab-grown meat. Traditional livestock farming uses up about a third of the Earth's farmable land and 8% of our fresh water, contributing to nearly 15% of all greenhouse gas emissions from human activities. But here's the game changer. According to research by Oxford University and the University of Amsterdam, switching to cultured meat could slash these emissions by an astounding 87%, cut land use by over 90%, and reduce freshwater usage by 95%. Imagine reducing the harsh impacts of climate change while also drastically cutting down the pollution that plagues our water sources. Lab-grown meat isn't just about what we eat. It's about transforming how we care for our Earth. Now, having explored the environmental benefits of lab-grown meat, let's shift gears and talk about how lab-grown meat could be transformational for our bodies as well. Crafted in sterile environments, this modern lab-grown meat marvel significantly cuts down the risk of bacterial infections, which are common in traditional meats. But there's more to this innovation. Imagine meat tailored just for your health, with adjusted fat levels and boosted nutrients designed to lower the risks of heart disease linked to saturated fats in regular meat. For example, the fat content in lab-grown meat can be adjusted to reduce saturated fats and increase healthy fats like omega-3s, which are crucial for cardiovascular health. On the other hand, while traditional meat is a vital source of protein and essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, traditional meat also often contains higher levels of cholesterol and saturated fats, which can contribute to heart disease. Additionally, farm-raised meat might have leftover hormones and antibiotics from animal farming. Now, these residues can lead to concerns about increasing antibiotic resistance and disrupting hormone balance in people who eat this meat. Moreover, lab-grown meats is a win for animal lovers too. No animals are harmed in the making of this meat, offering a compassionate and guilt-free option for everyone. Now, despite its potential, cultured meat faces several hurdles. One major challenge is cost. Initially, the first lab-grown burger, created in 2013, cost a whopping $325,000. While production costs have plummeted since then, with the price of a similar burger dropping to around $11 in 2021, it remains higher than that of conventional meat. Consumer acceptance is another roadblock. For instance, surveys reveal a mixed reaction. While some consumers are excited about the environmental benefits, others are wary of eating unnatural meat and are concerned about its long-term health implications. Additionally, the industry navigates a complex regulatory landscape. In the US, for example, lab-grown meat must meet stringent FDA and USDA standards, which involves proving that it's safe and beneficial before it can hit the market. So, what do you think? Is lab-grown meat the future of our dinners? Or will traditional meat continue to dominate our plates? Are you ready to embrace this new food technology, or does it seem just too futuristic? If you're curious about how lab-grown meat compares to traditional meat in taste and texture, why not try it out and judge for yourself? Lab-grown meat is currently available in select markets, including the United States, Singapore, and Israel. Dive into the comments and let's ignite a vibrant discussion. If this video sparked your interest, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye-bye for now.